Hey till you citizen, back with me again Ajiko Tangaputra. So this is thesis proposal. We have reached week 11 about writing chapter 3, the thesis in methodology. And now we are at video 3 and it is about system block diagram. So back again, we in chapter 3 there are four main discussions. The first is the research plan and then the system block diagram and the configuration of theories and the testing metrics. In previous video, we have discussed the research plan. Now we are going to discuss the next thing, which is system block diagram. So why do we have to put a system block diagram or a system architecture in our chapter 3? First, it provides a bird view of your thesis product. So for example, if you are creating an IoT, it shows what your IoT looks like. For example, it's about farming IoT. People must be curious about how a farming IoT looks like, and so you draw the system. And that is why you need to write it down because it illustrates what your thesis looks like. So it helps the readers and the reviewers understand your research. And lastly, it defines the scope of your thesis. Now we want to discuss an example. For example, we have a thesis title called Multimodal Machine Translation through Visuals and Speech. This is about a multimodal technique and it contains visual techniques and speech techniques. And what does the architecture or the block diagram look like? It looks like this. So if you have something about multimodal, you describe how it is multimodal to the readers here because it uses video and speech. This is the video, and it also uses image and it also uses speech. And from the image, it can generate text through caption generator, and the video it also has text from the information of the video, and by that you combine the information from the text and the image through the multimodal model, and then from the speech and also from the video it provides a multimodal model, and by that you can do language translation from language A to language B to provide not only the text but also the speech of that language. So in this picture, basically it explains to readers how a multimodal uh, system is conducted and what configurations are needed inside the system. And by doing it visually, it helps the readers understand it more faster. And so that is the end of video 3. In this video, we have successfully discussed about the use of your model architecture or your system block diagram. In the next video, we'll discuss about theory configurations. Thank you and see you in the next video.